How many of you remember Billions Network? Well, let me log in with Google. So it's been a while. I logged on here. By checking in back to confirm that you have read and agreed. Okay. I agree. My power level. Click on continue. Trial reward. Register a trial account and get 5 billion. I have actually registered a trial account. Let me go get my username. Alright, so by the way, if you're not on trial, this is it. This is what trial looks like. It's asking me to update. So this is my trial username, Terry Goodman at trial. So that's what you would provide. I've put together a tutorial on how to, register and start using trial and accumulate points. You might want to look that up, right? So let's verify. Activate your first trial card. I haven't done that, right? So let me not lie. Get your card. Earn 800 bill plus $10 with your trial card. Well, I'm not in for that. Get basic badge. Basic badge shows this device, email, ownership. Do a quick selfie, get to prove that you are right. So it's dark here. So the selfie thing will be tomorrow, and deposit and earn coming soon. Let's click on this feature here. Uniqueness, verify human. All right. So I had a problem verifying this. My passport is not, and what's that? Okay, is it the phone? Is it that the phone? I think something happened. It's either with a fault with my phone or with my passport or something. So I couldn't just pass this ID verification, right? So that's it. That's contributed a great deal to the reason why I don't post very often about Billions store. Nice. All right, so guys, this is, by the way, I heard that Billions is now listed on some exchange and trading. That's what I'm about to confirm. This is CoinGecko, and there is no price whatsoever about Billions network. There's no price, right? So according to AI here, key details on Billions network. Billions listing and trading. Billions is listed on Bitget with ongoing active participation in trading and staking in 2025, 2026. Okay. Network expansion. The project is active on the BNB chain as of January 19, 2026, enabling privacy preserving identity for Web3 users. Alright, so this screenshot here a day ago said fake info alert. Billions is not listed on any pre-market. Only trust official news from the Billions network. Okay, let's check the official Twitter page. We're on Billions network official Twitter page. There is no mention of any listing here. The CEO co-founder joined Hankong TV to share the vision. All right, so it spoke about Billions network in Korea. Let's enter a search for listing. There's nothing to show here, right? So if you look at the screenshot, you can tell that this is more like a decentralized exchange, right? And this post here says bill on Wells pre-market, fair and realistic price, I think, currently sitting on 100 million. That is more than fair. We hope it increases. Talking about this trading volume here, right? That's at the time of the post, it was sitting on 1 million. Well, this has been said to be a fake news, guys. So as it stands, there is no information on Billions network pre-market or listing, right? The only thing I see people post is that TGE is coming, right? So guys, if you have been fortunate to complete your verification, you are well on your way to go. Congratulations. Hold on tight, right? There is no listing announcement just yet. So keep on keeping on. So thanks so much. That's all I have for Billions network for now. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Welcome to Talo, next gen Web3 social network. Decentralized social platform powered by Web3 technology, where users can post, share short videos, interact, comment, and earn Talo tokens. Okay, so you want to go through all of this, including the key features, to understand better what Talo is about. And down here, their token is TALO. That's the token name. Blockchain is EVM based. Total supply 80 billion. Allocation 35% user rewards, 20% product development, 15% marketing and partnership, 10% team, 10% liquidity, 5% community fund, 5% ecosystem reverse. Use case of Talo. Unlock premium features, donate to creators, purchase NFTs, in-app items, engagement rewards, daily staking rewards. Roadmap, Q1 core platform launch, Talo app launch. Okay, so this is the roadmap, right? You might want to look it up to have a better understanding of what to expect. Is Talo free to use? Yes, all users can join and use Talo for free. Well, let's hit the menu. So you need to download the app either on Android or iOS. Welcome to Zentra Wallet. This is the sign up page. So here you have to provide your email address, choose a nickname, choose a password, confirm password, solve a captcha here by answering the question, and you click on sign up. Alternatively, you can import a wallet, or if you have an account already, you can just log in.